Hi guys, welcome to Piringa's Family Vlog. Another cooking. Today we going to show you how to fry a banana. This is flour and this is hot water. And then mix. Now the flour and the water are sticky. We mix it like this. The matana. Then mix. Let it hit the frying pan first. Then vegetable oil. And then be sure you wash your hand first. We just waiting to the vegetable oil to get hot, and then we put the banana to fry it. And this is a deep fry type of cooking. And now the vegetable oil are already hot, and then the fire is a medium volume. So we put the banana like that. Now, we'll wait until the banana become golden. Alright? Okay. Now that's the time to flip the banana. Like this. It's golden and it's beautiful. The one of the favorite dishes in Africa. They call it platano. Wait till the color will become golden, and that's the sign the banana already cooked. It's already cooked, guys. Like that. And then complete the routine once again if you have second batch, just like a while ago. Like that. Let it swim on a vegetable oil. Just like that. It's easy and it's delicious. Okay, just like that. Okay, see you next time. I hope you learned it. Simple recipe, but it's delicious. Thumbs up, please.
Thanks
Now
for
it's
watching.
done.
Leave a comment
This is the
below.
finished product. It's really delicious, but it's so hot. We can eat it later. Okay, bye-bye.